Namaste, friends.
I am Dr. Pranita Shah and
I am Dr. Sahaj Shah, and we are beloved students and fortunate students of our beloved master Dr. Pankaj Naram sir.
friends, death anniversary is called as Punya Tithi in India. What it actually means is that you remember the good deeds of your loved ones. So, for a soul like Dr. Pankaj Naram sir, it cannot be a tribute to just sit down and be sober about his memories. In fact, for someone like Dr. Pankaj Naram sir, when you remember him, it fills up with, we get filled up with so much of energy that no supplement can give us. So today we are going to remember about his mission, his vision, his ideologies, and his commitment towards the healing that he had provided for everyone. Today, me and Dr. Sahaj would like to be just free to tell you everything about him, everything that he wanted to provide you to create your own happiness, your own healing.
Friends, Dr. Naram started Sanjeevani saying that this is not just about prescribing medicines or giving medicines to people. He believed that he wanted to help people heal, come out from their challenges with his simple home remedies, dietary changes, murmur points, aiming at that, making sure that people achieve what they want. And he used to take utmost efforts, all the possible efforts, in which people used to at least realize or at least get the clarity what they want or what they are going through or what they are achieving. Dr. Pranita, would you like to give some examples regarding that?
Yes, now before I start with an example, we are also requesting you, if you have any queries or concerns to ask about what Naram sir would suggest, then you can please text us here. In the meanwhile, I'll tell you a very, very emotional, impactful experience that I had with Naram sir. When we had joined as new students with him, not even student, I was considering myself an employee at that time when I joined him. I knew that he was really crazy about Naram sir and his persona, but I just knew him as a famous person and nothing beyond that. And when we joined him, I thought we just had to work and do a job or something like that. But I realized in the first OPD, the clinic day, we had more than 100 people over there. For one day, he didn't say anything. We were just working. And second day, third day, when I finally got some time to sit and eat something, so at that time, sir came up. Sir had realized that I had gone skeptical. I was skeptical initially. So sir realized that now Pranita has a gist of what she is into. So I was sitting having my soup and he came up. So Dr. Pranita, how do you feel now? He was expecting I would say I'm tired and this and that, but I was actually happy with the kind of real work that we were doing. I was really happy, and I said that, sir, initially I was very resistant to the concept of doing a job. I joined because of Dr. Sahaj, but I'm really enjoying my thing now. And he was kind of taken aback. I mean, I don't know what, but he was really taken aback by my blunt answer. And he kept quiet for 1 second and then said, Pranita, this is not a job, this is a mission. And he went ahead. That line was so impactful for me, so impactful, and that was not one moment. That was till his last breath. He proved it. It was never a job, never a job. He did not consider these things, to get, he didn't expect any returns as such from these things. But yes, it was a mission, it is still a mission, and it will always be a mission. And that is why Naram sir even now is a motivation for us to keep going on and on and on.
One similar example, in the last OPD in the last Jan 2020, there was a female who was suffering with issues of fibroids. Dr. Naram went through her prescription, her history, and he was like, almost everything is cleared, or almost she's having almost say 80% solution, then why that one thing is not going part or she's not having that? Then he asked her are you following that 60 packet formula? She was like, no, I'm not doing that. And instead of scolding her, he shouted at me, तने खबर नहीं पड़ती. That means, are you not aware? It is your responsibility that she eats 60 packet formula.
Yes.
And that time there was another example for me where he meant ki each and everything is important. Just taking medicines or popping medicines is not the solution. He was making sure that you achieve what you want. Like we have achieved what we wanted.
He did not dedicate time. He dedicated his life.
Each and every moment of his life.
Yes,
rather.
each breath of his life for his mission. Each breath. And he expected that not as employees or a boss, but as a teacher, he expected from us students that we follow the same ideologies that he has created. We follow the mission with the same passion. And yes, I mean, with the support of my husband, of course, I am also able to do that.
You all won't believe there are few people who just met Dr. Naram at the clinic once in the January OPD.
Yes.
They still remember each and every words of him, the way he used to work, the way he used to save his time.
Yes.
Can you give the example how he used to save time for us to give the queries or solve the queries we had?
God, I still feel so bad about it, but he used to at times get to eat after 10 hours or 12 hours, and I am a kind of a person, I need silence, I need some space to have food. So Naram sir, he used to sit in the cabin next door, and he used to sit there and have his food, and he used to tell, now Dr. Pranita and Sir, whatever your queries are, please come and tell me. And I was like, sir, you just have one moment to have your food. Do you want to really discuss about the queries that we are asking? And me and Dr. Suraj would really feel ashamed to ask about the queries, because he had just this 5 minutes or 10 minutes to eat, and still that time was also dedicated for the queries and the doubts that we had for the patients. And he used to give solutions.
The most important point and fact of his life was he believed that every moment, every second is precious.
Yes.
You just enjoy what you do. Everything will come out. You will get the benefits. You will get the results. Giving you one very simple example of a very good friend, Rohit. We have seen him for the past almost two and a half years approximately.
Yeah.
I remember the date itself, 21st May 2018 specifically. The first ever, you can say officially, that I was seeing how Dr. Naram used to bring about that small changes, not just giving OPDs. With all the efforts, with all the kinds of regimen, with all kinds of formulas that he used to give, they are blessed with a baby boy, and I was so happy to know that.
Also Neha, she is also blessed with a baby girl. I mean, Naram sir was really waiting to give results, and I am sure wherever he is very happy for both of you. That
Not
you
only
both have lovely
happy,
kids.
but he's blessing each and every person.
Yes.
He has taught so many people. He has changed life, transformed life of so many people.
Yes.
Can you give some example that you have personally experienced?
Yes.
Having his or her life changed because of Dr.
Now,
Naram?
I'll tell you change. I am remembering some cases which were stuck, now there's this Mrs. Anju Somani. She had this very bad pain in her shoulder post an accident, and she was not able to lift her hand, and she had taken the herbs for 8 months.
Okay.
And about after 3 or 4 months, not even 3-4 months, by mistake it was said after 6 months, and I called her up and I was asking her, how are you? You have taken herbs for 6 months. How are you feeling now? And she said, I have no improvement at all. I was like, please, let me just help you with what you are going, you're following. Let me just study what you are going through, because Naram sir had already left by then, mortally. But I had to make sure that she is not disappointed with Naram sir's prescription. So I asked her everything done. I said, just give me 2 months of time, not even 2 months. I asked her for 1 month of time. Just give me 1 month. You try this out. She said, okay, fine. I'll give you 2 months. Tell me what is to be done. I said, okay, fine. You do one thing. You do this. You increase this dose. You do this home remedy. And in your diet, just do this thing. Just avoid the gluten and the dairy thing. In 2 months' time, I again called her up. Miss Anju, how are you feeling now? I am feeling a change. I am feeling better. I said, Bingo. Now the treatment is showing up. These supplements, these herbs cannot go waste if you are having a proper guidance. So, whenever we get stuck in any case or anything like that, we first of all pause. We think, what would Naram sir think about this? And then we go ahead. If at all we get very stuck, then either he will ask me or I will ask him, or we will ask our seniors like Dr. Giovanni, Dr. Sandhya and everyone. And the healing is just proceeded ahead.
The
But
basic aim is not to get stuck, not to
not
stop.
to get stuck, and provide the best solution as much as possible so that the patient gets the healing that he wants.
Also, a very wonderful example of our master Rami. Really, we
Yes.
feel blessed to
Wow.
understand and learn that almost 35 to 50 fits a day, epileptic fits. And last month when I spoke, we have a talk every 2 to 3 months specifically. He himself told that I'm so better now, I'm so confident now that I've not known when the last fit was. He's off all his kinds of allopathic medications also. Okay, he's still on the verge of learning some more things as per his age, but his father is so happy that my child is now a stable child. My child is now going to on the verge of independence.
Earlier, when we had first time seen him in the OPD, the first time he had visited the clinic, he used to just come across anyone, bang the face,
Yes.
and absolutely no orientation.
Throw
just
pins.
just in the month of May last year, last year or this year? Last
year.
year in the month of May, he presented a video saying happy birthday to him. I mean, a boy who has no orientation where he is going and what he is doing, he is wishing someone.
Also, you remember in the same very OPD, Divya took photograph of Sir from your Mumbai.
Yeah.
Same. She had no orientation. And last month, her father told that every month, what Dr. Naram had told, that month by month, what changes you will notice in your daughter is coming. Maybe slow, maybe
Yes.
taking time,
Yes.
but effective enough.
Yes, steady results is more important.
Also, what do you have to say about the Shakti Pathshala that we attended of
Oh
Dr.
yes,
Naram?
oh my god. Now Naram sir was not only a teacher, but we have seen different personalities, different personas of Dr. Pankaj Naram. It is so difficult not to get connected with him. As a teacher, we got connected. As a fatherly figure, he was a fatherly figure also, so we got connected on that aspect. We got connected to him like he was a mentor. So we were not just working under him, we were getting modified under him, we were getting
learning every
developed,
moment.
improved
Yes.
under him, we were growing under him. So
And
he
even
used to
today we are
organize-
learning everything whenever
Yes,
we remember or
yes,
recollect
yes.
his words.
Yes. There was this Shakti Pathshala which Naram sir used to organize for very limited children, rather his children in the sense of our age, of his son's age.
College going students.
Yeah. So all of them used to gather, and he used to present motivational speaking. He used to present real questions in front of him, in front of us. Okay, he used to present real questions and make us think of what we really want, of what you want to do on that. So Shakti Pathshala was one thing. I remember one day Naram sir said that three patients of his had come to Mumbai from some outside place.
US.
Yeah. And he told us bring them to my home. And I was like
That too at 8:30 p.m. crossing the terrific
night.
traffic
And
of Mumbai.
after the hectic clinic day, he was expecting us to do that, and I was really tired. I wanted to eat pani puri back my home, and he's calling us there. I said, okay, fine, let's go. And I was not very upbeat about it, but when we reached there, we were shocked. We opened
see
the
whom?
door. There were about 25
30
people,
Yeah.
and there was Mr. Jack Canfield talking about his experiences, his life, and it was so amazing, so amazing. Naram sir had called us not to escort the clients, but to attend Mr. Jack Canfield.
Where
A
we
phenomenal
learned-
person.
I will just,
He is the author of
yeah.
Chicken Soup for
Chicken
the Soul.
soup. But
Yes.
what was most important of that day, where we learned these are not the struggles of life, these are the steps, or you can say stages of your life, and you have to understand how you are supposed to grow through them, or how you're supposed to, break that block and move forward.
Yes, he was really inspirational in that aspect.
After that wonderful dinner with Dr. Naram, that was beautiful.
Yeah.
Also, how much we learned at the trip of Jamnagar when we visited with him.
Yes. In Jamnagar, he was really very upbeat about it, and he went. He
Met so many people.
Yes,
out there.
he spoke to a lot of people, and after that, unfortunately, things didn't work out. In the sense, the lockdowns also went and everything. So things were not really nice. But now we are resuming. We will be planning a trip to Jamnagar again, and we will be continuing with the mission. And also,
Okay, Dr. Pranita, Mr. Bana Rathor is asking a question. मुझे रात को नींद नहीं आ रही है. Maybe he says lack of sleep, or maybe उनको difficulties है सोने में. Can you suggest him some very easy marmas and home remedies and tips, please?
Yes. Now, what happens ki lack of sleep, insomnia, there are different degrees. Either you are not able to sleep at all, or you are having disturbed sleep, or maybe a lot of thoughts are going inside the mind. So we need to figure out what exactly it is. But still, the vayu which is creating that problem, it is creating dryness in the brain. It is not letting your senses get lubricated. Vayu, when in aggravation, doesn't let your senses get lubricated and doesn't let it work properly. So we need to take control of that vayu. For this, you can do one thing: cow's ghee, half teaspoon, and 1 pinch of nutmeg powder. Just
Jaifal.
1 pinch.
That is
yes,
Jaifal
powder. Cow's ghee and Jaifal. So you warm this together and put 2 drops in each nostril before sleep. And see, just continue it for 10-15 days at least, and see how your mind relaxes. It doesn't matter if you're sleeping for 8 hours or 10 hours or 12 hours or even 4 hours. What matters is that you should sleep and then get fresh. When you get up in the morning, even if you sleep for 4 hours, you should feel fresh. Ghee and Jaifal will help you lubricate your brain nerves, and that will help you have a better sleep.
Also, one thing reminds me, like how Mr. Bana asked this question. जैसे उन्होंने पूछा, friends, there are thousands and thousands of people who have never met Dr. Naram.
Yes.
They have just spoken to him on the phone, not even a video call, because at that time there was no such video call possibilities. But on that phone conversation, on those small consultations, he has helped thousands of people, and they still follow his remedies, whether at home, whether at work, whether traveling, because they say, even if we have not met, it feels like he's with us.
Yes.
You can just ask so many people across. You can see so many videos where he's helped each and every person. Okay, anything specific you remember about his life?
Yes. Now, when you spoke about this, that he has helped so many people on the phone, now the extent of how many people he has helped, we are having a little idea about that, because after he left, many people were confused what is to be done next, or they were feeling stuck somewhere, that what is the next step should I take, should I just reinitiate my healing process and all. And they somewhere we got connected to someone like Tiba from London, and then again her sister also, Lubna,
Mrs.
and then
Lubna.
again Mrs. Patel from USA.
Yes.
So all these people are connected, and we feel so blessed by Naram sir, that he is the guiding light every time. Every time we have someone to help, it is a blessing from Naram sir that yes, we have to do this work forward, and we are trying to help them as much as possible of what Naram sir would expect them to do ahead. So that is something that we are continuing. We just keep, you usually miss a person after forgetting him, but we are not able to miss him.
Because we have not forgotten him.
We are not able to forget him. Every day we come to clinic, we work. Every day we are picking up the calls of patients and everything. There is each day we have remembered it. Each day has been working, and each day has been a day of remembrance for him.
Okay, there is one more question from Mr. Dukhu Kisku. Namaste, Mr. Kisku. You have asked about bloating problem, gastric issues, that is acidity. Basically, a lot of problems related to your digestive health. where you are indicating कि your digestion is weak. आपका खाना पच नहीं रहा है. You are not able to. Your digestive system is not able to digest food. So in this, what can you do? Firstly, switch to a very simple diet for 21 days is mung and vegetable diets.
Yes.
Only mung and only vegetables. To a certain extent, you can take some amount of khichdi. And after that, from the 22nd day onwards, switch to gluten-free, dairy-free and sugar-free diet.
Cooked mung.
And a very simple home remedy. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Jeera powder half teaspoon. Coriander powder, dhania powder half teaspoon. With half a teaspoon of gulkand. Mix all this together with a half cup of water and eat this first thing in the morning, empty stomach. Let this go for few days and observe the effect. Also, if you want, you feel you're constipated, there are other herbal remedies we can always help you with. Okay, anything else that you would like to share about Dr. Naram or his life, or you have personally experienced how he's helped people? Because this would be the last thing that we would say, and then we will also end today's live session.
Yes. I would specifically, right now I could remember of kidney patients, usually they are in so much despair and they are going through so much of struggle while they are going for dialysis and everything. But Naram sir's way, his idea, his protocol of healing, helping those patients, it not only helps you stabilize your creatinine levels and lower them down, but also creates a lot of energy. Whatever healing process it is, be it for acidity, be it for kidney, be it for even cirrhosis, be it for migraine, first thing the patient realizes is that the energy level increases. And so it is absolutely apt to remember Naram sir when we talk about energy. So yes, every healing process involves a process where there is total body healing and not only just one specific organ, and that is why you start feeling those energy levels in 1 or 2 months itself.
Also, friends, he always used to tell everybody that if you don't try, you cannot realize, and if you don't start to work on it, you will not achieve what you want. His aim was to make you realize, to help you to achieve your goals, your targets, whatever you want in life. He always used to guide people. I've seen him guiding so many collegians in front of me that, okay, you want this, follow this marma. For example, he always used to say to everybody, take your right hand and from your 7 fingers, 4 and 3, on this 8th point, press this point 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Also that one marma of right index finger, press it 6 times and ask what you want to achieve.
Yeah, we'll share all these things in specific videos, of
course. We'll surely share all these things.
Now, Mr. Praveen Kumar, he is asking about fistula. Now, Dr. Sahaj, I think you should answer that because you have specialized in the surgery part also. So,
see, basically, Mr. Praveen Kumar, fistula indicates there is lot of toxins because of the imbalanced pitta and vata both, which creates a kind of toxicity in your flesh, which in turn makes holes, a track, leading to a condition where you secrete pus, because of continuous soiling and other factors. In this condition, firstly, we have to help you to drive out your toxins from the body via motions, to help you flush out all these toxins, to pacify your negative heat to normal heat. And for that, a very strict diet is also advised for at least first 2 months. Completely gluten-free, dairy-free, sugar-free, no non-veg, minimized intake of spicy food. If at all possible, just avoid that. And also very important, start goat's milk in this condition, along with our colon health formula, detox formula, which will help you to throw out these undigested food particles or undigested toxins in your body.
Naram sir was not only specific in the purification of the blood system, but also the muscle system in cases of fistula. So if you really want to come out of this, you want to lower down the frequency and then completely stop it, then you need to purify not only your blood system and the toxins related to blood, but also your muscle system, and that is a deeper level. So yes, it will help you.
Of course, you can connect to us. We'll guide you deeper with these solutions. So friends,
If you have any
queries,
queries, if you have any
yeah.
confusions, if you're stuck somewhere, if you just want to pay a tribute to
If
Dr.
you want to
Pankaj
just
Naram sir,
realize what you want to achieve in your life, and if you think we can surely help you like Dr. Naram used to, you can always connect to us. His blessing is not only on us or our team members, but on everybody.
Yes, yes.
His aim was to make people happy. He always used to see to it that
yes.
iska problem solve ho. He should get his happiness. So
you
friend,
can feel free to message WhatsApp on our hotline number +91 7021 594848.
we will surely connect to you. We'll get in touch with you and give you all those best possible solutions that you are waiting for.
Yes.
So here we end today's live session, friends. Hope you have enjoyed this session, and if you have any queries, do let us know. Love you all. Namaskar.